Hi, my good family, my people, welcome again back to our channel. Thank you for coming. I'm so humbled to see you in our group today, in our family again. I'm happy that God has protected you. You're doing fine, and I'm also doing fine. Today, we are doing another video, and as you know, it's our group is our food and our stuff is called kitchen tips. Our kitchen tips today, we are going to make scotched eggs, and my ingredients, I have our sausages, and these sausages are not beef, they are pork because I don't take meat. Then I have the breadcrumbs which we'll be using to coat. Then I have our wheat flour that I'll be using uh, to mix with the sausages so that it doesn't become so soft. And here we have our eggs which are already boiled and I've already removed the shells. They are ready. And we have another egg that we have made for covering that we'll be using for coating our eggs. Now this is how I unskin my sausages. Just open the skin slowly like that. Then you put the skin aside. This is how I'm doing them. And then another one. Just do it slowly, slowly, the way I'm doing this one. And it's over. Now our sausages are unskinned. I'll pick one egg, then I'll put a little oil in my hands so that the sausage doesn't become so sticky. I'm trying to flatten it so that we get the shape that will cover our egg. Make sure you cover it all over. Don't leave a space. The way I've covered this one, let us cover this other side. This is how it is. It is all covered. You can see all over. Then we dip in our egg. After make it all wet, we put it on our breadcrumbs. Cover it, make sure it's covered with the breadcrumbs, the way I'm doing. You can see how it is. It is fully covered. Then you place it there. Do a second one. Just put a little oil. You can add a little flour just to make it more harder or a bit rough so that you can enlarge it well. Cover it the way I'm covering mine. You can see, as simple as that. You check all over, make sure that it is all covered with the sausage. you cover, kindly rotate it, check, make sure every part is covered, fully covered, so that it doesn't break when you're cooking. See mine, the way it's looking like. To check if my oil is hot enough to cook, we'll dip the bottom of this spoon. If it bubbles, then the oil is okay. Yeah, it's bubbling, so the oil is okay. Let us start with the first one. When you're putting your egg, kindly put it at the edge, because if you dip direct, it can split the hot oil on your face or on your anything, and you can burn. So you start with the edge, then you remove them later. My pot is big. I think there will be enough. I'll be able to put all of them. I'm turning them. You can see how they're coming out golden brown. This one is there. Not yet, not yet. I want to start picking them. You can see how it has turned color to golden brown. The aroma, wow, it's a nice smell that is coming out. I've finished cooking my scotch eggs, and the remaining sausage also I've fried them, and the remaining eggs. So here is our scotch egg. I've already cut it into two, and I want to taste it. We see how well it has come out. Let me put, okay, I think it has salt, which we already put. I want to put small chili, just to taste and let you know how it is. Let me bite again. Guys, this thing is sweet. It's my first time. I've never cooked it. Okay, I've never even tasted. I've tasted mine for the first time, and I can tell you it is sweet. Please try. Cook for your family, cook for yourself, cook for your loved ones, and get the taste that I'm getting now. This is the plug. I'm really enjoying it. I think this can be a good breakfast for people you love. Please don't forget to try cook See how well it is. You can see the egg, you can see the sausages, and you can see how golden brown it is.